Here are 20 common questions and answers for daily use, which can help with everyday English communication. Hello, good morning. How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? What time is it? It's 3:30 p.m. Where are you going? I'm heading to the grocery store. Can you help me with this? Sure, I'd be happy to help. What's the weather like today? It's sunny and warm today. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Yes, I'm planning to go hiking with some friends. What do you usually eat for breakfast? I usually have cereal with milk and a cup of coffee. Can I get you something to drink? Yes, a glass of water would be great, thank you. What's your favorite hobby? I enjoy reading and painting in my free time. How do you usually get to work? I usually take the bus or sometimes I walk. What time do you wake up in the morning? I usually wake up around 7 o'clock a.m. Can you recommend a good restaurant? Sure, I recommend trying the Italian restaurant on Main Street. How was your day? It was busy, but productive. How about yours? When is your birthday? My birthday is on March 12th. Where do you live? I live in downtown Chicago. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. What kind of music do you like? I like listening to pop and rock music. It costs $25. What do you do for work? I work as a graphic designer. Yes, I love traveling. I've been to several countries. See you soon. Goodbye.